In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily restrict someone on Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Messenger app and then just search for some conversation or some user that you want to restrict, and then all you have to do is just swipe to the left on that conversation, then hit add more and then select restrict. Once you restrict a conversation, you will stop getting notifications from that conversation. Also, the conversation will be hidden from your chats, and also that particular user will stop being able to get your activity status on Messenger. So just hit add restrict. That's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.